Hello everyone. Welcome to Top Tech Tips. Today, I am going to show you how to fix MacBook cannot connect to Wi-Fi. I suggest trying each of the following steps, in order, until you are able to reconnect again. Click on the Wi-Fi icon. If you do not see the Wi-Fi icon, click on the Apple icon at the top left corner. Next, go to System Preferences, select Network, then, check on Show Wi-Fi Status on menu bar. Next, turn Wi-Fi off. Wait for about 10 seconds, then, turn Wi-Fi on. Restart your MacBook, then, try to reconnect. Check your router. Turn your router off for about 10 seconds, then, turn it on again. Hold down the Option key, and click on the wireless icon. Then, run Wireless Diagnostics. First, click on the Apple icon, then, System Preferences, then, Network. Next, choose Wi-Fi, and select your network name. Then, go to Advanced. Next, click the Wi-Fi name, and click the minus sign to remove the network. Then, click on the plus sign, and enter your Wi-Fi name and password. That's it for now. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.